Let me introduce you to the ultimate self-care kit. This is our anti-aging luxurious trio. These have been carefully selected to really affect a change in your skin. You have 3 full-sized certified organic products. So let's begin with the oil. This isn't just a single oil. It's not just a rosehip. It's not just a jojoba. Yes, it does have those ingredients in there, but it's full of 7 different oils. And they're all in there to boost collagen, to boost elasticity in the skin, to really help heal, soothe a dry, stressed skin. One of the hero oils in here is carrot seed oil, and that has full of beta carotene, and that is the precursor to vitamin A. So that's a wonderful oil to have in there. The beautiful Lang Lang, which is in there as well, designed to help remove negative thoughts. It's designed to help calm. So use that, breathe it in when you're massaging this oil in. Let's have a little chat about the potent serum that we have here. So this has three potent ingredients in the sense that it has 2 peptides, Matrixyl Synth-6 and Perfection Peptide 7, which are wrinkle erasers and skin plumpers. We have niacinamide, vitamin B3, which helps to increase cell turnover and build collagen. We have hyaluronic acid, which is skin plumping in there, plus green tea, ginseng and fig. Fabulous superfoods for anti-aging. Let's talk about the cream. This is our Nourish and Hydrate Moisture Defense Cream. It has beautiful superfood ingredients in here that are designed for anti-aging. It also has hyaluronic acid in here, which is skin plumping, and these will really combine to reveal a more radiant complexion. And don't forget that these 2 ingredients are based on our superfruit renewal system, which is unique to Scout. So when you're feeling like you're needing a little bit of self-care and self-love, why don't you try these 3?